Here I've got Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all settings, then find and select language and input, and pick the first icon, which is language. And here from the following list you can select the one that you would like to have. So let me pick, for example, French. And from now on all your device is in French. As you can see, everything has been changed. If you would like to go back to your default language, to English one, just find and select language icon, which is here, the icon with word. Then click on the first tab and select the one that you would like to have. So in my case it will be English UK. And that's it. As you can see, we are back in English, and now you can change the language whenever you need to. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.